Welcome back to FD Auto, where we break down the newest cars, future-ready tech, and real-world driving experiences to help you decide what's worth your time and money. Today, we're looking at the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63 Coupe, a machine built for drivers who want supercar performance without giving up daily usability. This car is for those who crave speed, presence, and luxury in one bold package. It's aggressive, refined, and unapologetically AMG, and once you see what it offers, it's hard not to be intrigued. The 2026 GT 63 Coupe stays true to AMG's muscular design language, but everything feels sharper and more confident. The long hood, wide stance, and low ride height give it serious road presence. Sculpted body lines flow cleanly from front to rear, while large performance wheels fill the arches perfectly. The Panamericana grille and updated LED lighting create a menacing face that looks just as striking downtown as it does pulling into a luxury hotel driveway. Underneath, Mercedes-AMG has refined the chassis to balance performance and comfort even better. The structure feels solid and composed, with impressive rigidity that enhances stability at high speeds. Adaptive suspension tuning allows the car to glide smoothly on highways while staying controlled over uneven pavement. It's firm when you want excitement, and relaxed when you just want to cruise. Powering the GT63 is a hand-built AMG 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering explosive acceleration and a deep, unmistakable exhaust note. Power is immediate, smooth, and relentless. The AMG SpeedShift automatic transmission responds quickly, delivering crisp shifts whether you're driving calmly or pushing hard. Despite the performance focus, fuel efficiency is managed intelligently for real-world driving. AMG's performance-focused all-wheel drive system constantly adjusts torque distribution for maximum grip. In slippery conditions or aggressive launches, traction feels confident and controlled. Multiple drive modes allow you to switch from comfort-focused cruising to full-performance aggression. It's the kind of system that makes you feel secure, even when you're using every bit of the car's power. Inside, the GT63 Coupe feels every bit as premium as its price suggests. High-quality materials, detailed stitching, and a driver-focused layout dominate the cabin. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, even on long drives, while the rear seats offer usable space for passengers. Cargo capacity is practical enough for weekend trips, blending performance with everyday usability. The large central touchscreen is fast, responsive, and easy to navigate. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are seamlessly integrated, while advanced voice commands let you control key functions naturally. Driver profiles allow personalized settings for seating, climate, and driving preferences, making every drive feel tailored to you. Mercedes equips the GT63 with a full suite of advanced safety systems. Driver monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and automatic emergency braking work quietly in the background. These features add confidence without taking away from the driving experience. On the road, steering is precise and confidence-inspiring. The ride remains composed, noise insulation is excellent, and the cabin stays calm even at high speeds. In the city, it feels controlled and refined. On the highway, it's effortless. When the road opens up, it becomes thrilling. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63 Coupe delivers performance, luxury, and everyday usability in one powerful package. It's perfect for drivers who want excitement without compromise. This car stands out by offering true AMG character with real-world comfort. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe to FD Auto, and turn on notifications for more premium car content. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.